Yo, what is good, YouTube? Back here with another reaction video. We got number 4 ranked Miami Hurricanes versus Georgia Tech. Week 11 of college football. Let's get right into it. Obviously, we reacted to Miami versus Duke. Miami, bro, I feel like every game they played this year, they've been close. Like the California game. Oh my goodness, he just got destroyed. But yeah. Oh. Hands up the middle! Oh, he's taking that all the way. Oh no, he's not. He getting hawked. Hey, good run though by Haynes. Okay. That's how you start, Georgia Tech. Haynes again up the middle, making a miss! Touchdown, Georgia Tech! Damn, what a start. Jamal Haynes. Look at this. Woo! But it's gonna be hard to knock off this team right here. Ooh, what a pass by Cam Ward. He's long gone. Touchdown, Miami. Wow, that was a dart. Don't get better than that. 2nd and 10. Cam Ward outside. Got him. Cam Ward is going to be tough in the league. 2nd and 6. Got Restrepo. 3rd and 5. Cam Ward taking a shot. No one over there. 41-yard field goal it is. Good. 3rd and 3. Little jet sweep. Or in and around what you ever call it. First down though. Checking down the tight end. He got it. 3rd and 1. To his push. He got it. They gotta get rid of that play, bro. I hate that play so much. I mean, but when your team does it, you like it. 3rd and 9, taking off for the first down. Run on the outside. Oh my goodness. 3rd and goal. Quick pass. And he's in there. Touchdown, Georgia Tech. Georgia Tech bringing it to Miami right now. I mean, I thought this play was blew up, bro. Quick pass. And then, yeah, he just straight. That's a touchdown. 2nd and 7. Cam Ward. Take off, bro. There you go. 2nd and 3. Martinez on the ground. They haven't really ran that ball that much yet, but I don't know. They would most likely like to air it out. 1-on-1, that's too easy. Miami first down. 4th and 3 right here. They're gonna go. Cam Ward stepping up. He's down. Oh yeah, he was down anyways. I thought. Georgia Tech holds though. What a stop. Martinez getting that outside. But Georgia Tech didn't do anything with it. Martinez picks it up. 4th and 1. They're going for it on 4th again. Incomplete! Straps. Bro, Miami, what are they doing? QB run? Oh, look out. Okay. Fake toss. Miami just don't know what to do against this offense. They're confused. Like, bro, it looks like... Bro, this quarterback's actually tough. But he's taking some hard hits, though. 3rd and 9, though. Shot to the end zone! Touchdown, Georgia Tech! Yo, Miami! Miami actually may lose this week. 21. It's gonna be 21-10. Is this a touchdown? Yeah, it is. That's a touchdown. Yeah, that's a touchdown. Wow, what a throw and catch. And wow. Miami, bro, like, I don't, they just think they can just do whatever they want. Like, they're going for it on 4th down. Like, I would go for it on 4th and 1, but like, the first 4th down they went for, bro, is like, I think it was like 4th and 4, 4th and 3. Like, I don't know about that. Is it? I don't know. 2nd and 2, Cam Ward though. Quick pass, got him. And there's still a lot of time left, but you gotta think Miami's got to get something going here. There you go. Oh my goodness, he got popped. 2nd and 8, Ward. Got him on the sideline. Restrepo. 1-on-1, throwing it up. That's PI. Yeah. I like how the ref went like this, incomplete, and then threw the flag. It was funny. Cam Ward just gonna launch it to the end zone. That's touchdown. Okay, Miami with the response. I mean, he put that. That's on the money, man. He got both feet in too, didn't he? Yeah. Oh, he only got one in, but I thought he got two in. No matter though. You only need one. Going for it. See, like, what is Miami doing, bro? Why are you going for 2 to make it a 3-point game? But who gives a shit? Just take the one. Look out, Singleton on the jet sweep. Oh my lord. Bro, that dude need ejected, bro. Bro. Bro, look when he turns around, bro. Jesus Christ. Yeah, bro. That's what I was saying, bro. That's dirty as shit. Oh, no. Oh, they got back on. They're lucky they got back on that. Yeah, Miami's ready for it now. 3rd and 18 just got aired out right here. There you go. Wide open! Georgia Tech on the march. Spin out throw. Got him. 1st and goal like that. Read option. Just going to keep it a walk right in. Touchdown, Georgia Tech. What happened to Haynes, bro? Did he get hurt? Their starting running back? I haven't saw him since like the first drive. It don't really matter though. They're still winning. Cam Ward. Quick pass. Ooh, what a spin. Over the middle. I mean, if you Georgia Tech, bro, just try to hold him to 3. It's gonna be really hard to do. Got Fletcher wide open. It's a flag. It's 4th and 6 right here. Cam Ward. Oh, he's about to fall. Somehow stays up, getting outside, throwing it to the inside. Touchdown, Miami. What's the flag, though? Wow, man. That sucks. I think you have to. Oh, you got to go for it, yeah. 4th and 16, Cam Ward. Getting sacked! Georgia Tech. Okay. 3rd and 4. You got him right there. Oh, he missed him. Damn. Cam Ward. Look out. Here comes the blitz. Got him again. Is he hurt? 4th and 7. Cam Ward climbing the pocket. Got him. Oh, what a hit. That looked like it hurt. Cam Ward, quick pass. Bro, get him on the ground. Cam Ward. Oh, what a grab by Fletcher. Or Martinez. My bad. I thought that was Fletcher. I guess I'm too confused. I don't know why. Cam Ward. Air it out. Got Xavier Restrepo. Wide open. Miami's back in it, bro. They just need to stop.
You're going to see Cam just reverse pivot and just wait for him to run the route. There he is, reverse pivot. Good protection.
Man, that was a good route too.
That ball is gone
Woo!
before Restrepo comes out of the break.
3rd and 8. You need this one. And he got it! Wow. Miami has to get off the field right there, bro. 3rd and 1, they got another chance. And they do. And they get...
Final 2 minutes presented by Allstate we might have. Miami gets the stop. As Mario Cristobal spends a timeout with the clock stopped. They still have 2 left. But he was worried about something that he saw.
Yeah, I mean, you got to be sure. 2nd and 10. Cam Ward. I mean, you got all day, bro. He fumbled it! Ow! Georgia Tech got it! Bro, Miami, not like this. It finally caught up to him, bro. Someone finally got him. Hey, just go down. Wow, bro. Wow, bro. Georgia Tech gets the upset, 28-23 over number 4 ranked Miami, bro. I mean, what a game. Cam Ward just kind of, I don't know. I think it's his fault. Like, just don't like he does too much in the pocket, bro, and it caught up to him this game. Like, you know, he's always like running back and forth, and like times he slipped and fell. I mean, I don't know. And then them 4th down, like going for them 4th downs, I didn't agree with. And they didn't get them 4th downs either. But Georgia Tech with a stunning upset, bro. Like, you know, this would have been the last team I expected Miami to lose to. I thought last week Miami was going to get beat against Duke, because Duke is really tough, but it finally caught up to him. But that's going to do it for this reaction, though. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and I'm out.